came back. You ready? They stole my manhood, took my flame, left me dancing in the dark with shame. Can't rewind, can't escape the past. I'll move my body, but this pain won't pass. Eyes wide in a house full of lies, flashing lights, but I'm dead inside. Played my role, wore the crown, but behind closed doors they broke me down. Gave them trust, gave them soul. Now I walk these halls with a heart gone cold. No escape, just loops and echoes. Manhood lost in the high-rise shadows. All that glitter, all that gain, all that silence dressed as fame. Now I drift, no anchor, no flame, just the beat and this weight with stole my manhood, took my flame, left me dancing in the dark with shame. Can't rewind, can't escape the past. I'll move my body, but this pain won't pass. Night after night, I wear that mask, looking for peace in the bassline crash. They broke me down and let me go, but I rise in the rhythm slow. Every smile now feels insincere. I gave them blood, they sold me out. Now every high feels soaked in doubt, but I keep moving, keep the pace, drown the tears in a crowded space. Beat don't lie even when I do. This floor knows what I've been through. Raise a glass for the years I lost, to the nights that came with too much cost, to the man I was and the one I fake, and the boy inside that still won't wait. They stole my manhood, burned my name, left me spinning in a room of blame. But I still move through the noise and light, chasing healing in the pulse of night. Can't go back, but I still feel the rhythm's real when nothing else is real. They broke me once, but I still glow. In the dark, in the beat I grow. Dim, but the weight still stays. They took the fire, but I walk through the haze. I ain't who I was, but I'm still here, dancing with my scars through the smoke and the fear. I lost my manhood, but I found my truth, not in the mirror, but somewhere deeper uncouth. So when music fades and the night turns cold, for you I'm still breathing, still bold.